Can you make delicious ginger cookies with just one spice? Can you? So on today's episode, we'll be making some German ginger inspired cookies, okay, with just one spice. Buckle up and let's find out whether they're going to be crispy and soft on the inside. Come and let's go to German. So here we have some all-purpose flour, baking powder and baking soda. Then we have some ginger spice, okay, and then some sugar, some butter. Let's get started. So first things first, going to add in our room temperature margarine. Room temperature margarine. So if you have a microwave, you can definitely try to melt that up, but if you don't have, don't worry. And then I'm going to add in some sugar. Next, we're going to add in some sugar. So I'm just going to mix this up like a pro. So this is our current consistency. Can you see? You can do it with a spatula. You don't even need to use a mixer. Can you see? Look at that. Perfect. So in our ginger spice goes. Then we have our baking powder. Give that a good mix. By the way, personally, I find making cookies so easy. It's not hard. See, okay, look at that. Everything is well incorporated, right? Now we're going to add in our bread flour or wheat flour. Personally, I don't usually, what is it called, sieve my cookie dough, my cookie flour. I do not. Then we have some milk. Going to give that a good mix. Maybe I just want to have a bit. I think I've added too much milk, but I'm just going to need before I come to that conclusion. But the dough is not as bad. It is not bad. This dough is not bad. I think I'm just going to add in just a little bit of flour and then we'll be good to go. Maybe guys, this is how your cookie dough should be. So personally, I've not even applied any oil because you've added in some margarine and that should be enough. And as you're kneading, remember to preheat your oven so that you don't waste time. 10 minutes on 80 degrees Celsius. Just that. Can you see? Perfect. So our baking tray is oiled and dusted, okay? Then I'm just going to take some of the dough and just make whatever shapes I want to. So personally, I love my cookies very, very crunchy. So that is what I'm going for. And I'll also ensure that I space. I'm just going to put some shapes. This one is not highly optional. Okay, but I just feel like being extra today. This is the beauty of making your own things. You can decide what nonsense to put and what not to put. So this is our before. Let's meet after 30 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius in the oven. Guys, look at that. After 30 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius, this is what we have. Look at that. Look at that. Personally, I really love the aroma. By the way, the ginger spice aroma is not too much. It's not overrated in this recipe. And I also love the fact that they are well cooked. Can you see that? Peep that. Peep that. Oh my gosh, they really look amazing. Yeah, so I'm going to just take one. Okay, it's kind of hot because I honestly let them rest for a while. Okay, so it's perfect. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. God bless you and see you in the next travel. Bye.